everyone, Celia Lice Lady here. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. We're going to be showing lots of different videos on debunking myths and also some pretty cool cases, so go ahead and stay tuned. Today we're going to be talking about head lice symptoms. What are the symptoms when you or your kiddo has head lice? Itching is a big one, but 50% of people don't even itch until about 2, 4, 6 weeks into the lice infestation. The reason for the itching, it's the saliva. When the lice bite you, they do bite. And what they're doing is they're plugging up those bite holes. The itching is caused from that saliva. That's what causes it. That's why 50% of people don't even itch. So don't be in lice denial if you have head lice, because you might not be showing any symptoms of itching. Other symptoms, you could have a rash down at the base of your neck, around your ears. They just look like little tiny pin marks. They're red, they're bumps. Sometimes they get confused for other types of rashes, but that's another sign as well, is a rash. The reason for the rash is because that's where the lice are biting you. How can you get rid of this itch? Go ahead and take some coconut oil, leave it on the head for a little bit. It's not going to be a cure-all for you, but it will take care of that itch in the meantime while you're trying to get rid of the lice infestation. Click the link in the description below to find out what our favorite coconut oil is for you to use. Another symptom is a tickling sensation. Unfortunately, those are the bugs crawling on your head. So if you start to feel some type of a tickling sensation, you could have head lice. But don't confuse that. If your kiddo happens to have head lice, it's instantly gonna make you feel itchy. It's a psychosomatic itch. Make sure you get your head checked to know if you do or do not have it. Another super interesting symptom is fatigue. Oftentimes you wouldn't associate fatigue with head lice, but what we see is at nighttime, those little bugs have a chance to roam around on the head. The kids are sleeping soundly, so the kids are scratching and scratching, and it's causing them to not have a good deep sleep. So if your kid's being a little booger, it could be a symptom of head lice. They're not sleeping well. They might be coming into your bed in the middle of the night. If they normally don't do that, if their behavior's a little off or erratic, it could be head lice. An average head lice infestation typically isn't diagnosed till about 2 to 6 weeks into the infestation. Why? Because typically people can't find the bugs. They can't see the bugs. They have no clue. Their kids' heads are itching. They think it might be dry scalp. So they go to the store, they buy dandruff shampoo, they go to the doctor might not even see it. You never know what could be going on with your kiddo. There are 6 to 12 million cases of head lice a year between little to about 11-year-olds. You guys, that statistic doesn't even include adults and then the rest of the siblings that could be older in the household. A ton of people have head lice. So if your kid might have a lice infestation, they have all these symptoms and you're wondering if they do indeed happen to have head lice, first step, go ahead and check your kiddo's head. We recommend checking with a nit comb. Visual head checks are a lot of times not effective, especially if you're not quite sure what you're looking for. This is our favorite comb that we use. It's Lice Clinics of America Nit Terminator Comb. To check out these combs, click the link in the description below, and also check out our other video to see how to comb your kids' hair and how to check your kids' hair. So make sure that you subscribe, like, and leave a comment. We'll make sure to get back to you. You guys, we've got you. We have you covered. Don't worry. We've been through this. It's super common. We're here for you.